Hi Deepa, congratulations. How are you feeling?
Thank you. I feel good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you'll be very independent.
Yeah. Very, very soon.
Yep. And you'll be buying a car, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how many attempts did you take to pass the VORT?
Just one.
And how did you find your instructor?
He is good. He is
And
very friendly. He is good.
all right. And how many lessons did you take with him?
Hmm, I think 24. Yeah.
Yep. And how were the tasks, the 5 tasks, slow speed maneuvers he taught you? Were they understandable and very simple to
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah, I understand him very well. He is good.
Thank you. And now you will be able to do your job independently, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nobody has to drop you and you don't
Yeah.
have to catch the transport, save
Yes.
your money and time with it.
Yeah.
You're feeling great?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Thank
Thank you very
you.
much and best of luck for your future endeavors.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Yeah.
Bye.